Hello, and welcome back to The Right Way with Josette Hall. In this segment, we will discuss Grammar Quiz Part 13. Read the sentence below. Can you identify any grammatical errors? There are three errors in this sentence. A comma should follow currently because the word currently serves as an introductory element in this sentence. There, THIR is a pronoun. The correct version of there should be THERE. The A in America should be capitalized because America is a proper noun. What about this sentence? Can you identify the errors? There are four errors in this sentence. The wrong there is being used. Instead of THEIR, the pronoun THERE should be used. Next, there is no need for any punctuation where the semicolon is. Instead of believes, should be beliefs, BELIEFS. And instead of between, it should be among. Use between for two specific entities and among for more than two entities in a general group. Lastly, what about this sentence? Are there any errors? Can you identify them? This sentence contains two errors. A comma should not follow despite, and wonderfully is an adverb. Instead of wonderfully, the adverb, wonderful, the adjective, should be used instead. Thanks again for joining The Right Way with Josette Hall. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.